In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Retool app with users. By the end, you'll know exactly how to share an app link or send direct invites so the right people can access your Retool project quickly and securely. First, open your browser and go to retool.com. Sign into your workspace if you aren't already. This takes you to the Retool home dashboard where you can see your recent activity and the apps you've been working on. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if your organization uses multiple environments. Next, find the app you want to share in the Recent Apps section. Hover over the app card or row and look for the three dots, sometimes called the Overflow or More Options menu. Click those three dots to reveal the available actions for that specific app. If you don't see your app in Recent Apps, you can use the search bar or open the app's view and locate it there. The three dots will appear in the same way. From the menu, click Share. This opens the sharing panel for your app. Here's where you control how others can access it. The Share panel is designed to keep things simple. You can either generate a shareable link or invite people directly by email. Before proceeding, glance at any access settings you see to make sure you're comfortable with who can open the app in your organization. Some workspaces require users to sign in, while others may allow broader internal access. If you want a fast way to distribute access, click Copy Link. This copies the app's unique URL to your clipboard. You can paste that link into a message, a ticket, or a project doc. Keep in mind that the link follows your workspace's access rules. If your organization restricts access to specific users, recipients may still need to log in with a permitted account before they can view the app. Alternatively, you can invite new users directly. In the same Share panel, choose the option to invite users. This is helpful when you want to be explicit about who gets access, or when your company limits link-based sharing. Enter the email address of each person you want to invite, then click Send Invite. Retool will email them a secure invitation with instructions to open the app. If they're new to your workspace, they'll be guided through joining, and your current access policies will apply automatically. That's all there is to it. Open Retool, use the Share option, copy a link if you need speed, or send direct invites when you want precise control.